Number 4. CRAFTSMAN CMES510. When it comes to power and performance, the CRAFTSMAN CMES510 corded saw truly delivers. With a high-performance 5,500 revolutions per minute motor, this saw is perfect for fast and aggressive cutting tasks. The 15-amp motor provides the power you need to tackle tough jobs, while the 714-inch 18T carbide-tipped blade with a capacity of up to 21 by 8 inches ensures you can cut through 2-time material with ease. The tool-free beveling shoe allows for precise angled cuts up to 55 degrees, with detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees for added convenience. One of the standout features of this saw is its premium-grade magnesium shoe, which not only adds durability but also reduces weight, making it easier to handle on the job. The metal upper and lower guard further enhance the saw's durability, ensuring it can withstand harsh job site conditions without a problem. The contoured overmolded handle provides added comfort during extended use, helping to reduce fatigue and improve overall user experience. And with a metal rafter hook for added convenience, this saw truly has everything you need to get the job done. While the CRAFTSMAN CMES510 corded saw is a solid choice for those in need of a powerful and reliable tool, it may not be the best option for those looking for a more compact saw. However, if you value performance and durability above all else, this saw is definitely worth considering. If you're in the market for a new saw that can handle even the toughest jobs, be sure to check out the CRAFTSMAN CMES510. Still searching for the perfect corded circular saw? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.